I'm Dr. John Pierce, and I'm here to talk to you today about the medication that's kind of hitting everybody, and it's big craze, semaglutide. This is the main medication in the prescription drugs Wegovy and Ozempic and Rybelsus. Basically, this medication slows down GI metabolism, so the food that you intake stays in your stomach and in your intestines a much longer time. Therefore, you're going to eat less. Less food, less calories, lose weight. Sounds great. The problem is, in a lot of clinics, there's nobody monitoring the patient after the medication is given. So nobody's looking at the type and the quality of food that you're taking in. And I'm gonna tell you, if you take in junk, you're gonna absorb more junk because that's what's sitting in the gut. What we're finding is when people eat their food or even take a good supplement, they're absorbing more of that nutrient than they otherwise would typically do so because the slowing down of the GI tract. So we have developed a program here at Ageless Forever to not only have the medication and get the weight loss benefits from the medication, but we also have a nutrition consultant to kind of guide you to ensure that you're getting good quality foods while you're doing this. And we've developed a supplement program to go along with this. So we're making sure, first off, that you're not protein deficient. One problem with a lot of people on this medication is they're not getting enough protein. They're losing fat. Worse, they're losing lean muscle mass. When they come off the medication, they're going to gain the weight back. Guess what's going to come on first? Body fat. And when it comes back, they're going to be in a worse position than they were when they started because their body composition is going to be worse. We're going to try to reduce, if not inhibit, the loss of lean muscle mass while you're losing weight so we can get better body composition, meaning your body fat percentage is improved. We don't really care so much about the scale, and I know a lot of people are worried about that, but I will tell you, if we can trade an ounce or a pound of lean muscle for fat, and we will get rid of fat and maintain that lean muscle, we'll do it all day, every day. If you're interested in losing weight and doing it in a healthy way and utilizing semaglutide or other medications that have a similar effect, please call us at Ageless Forever at 702-838-1994, or you can reach out to us at www.agelessforever.net. And our nutrition consultant or one of our other patient care coordinators will be happy to connect with you and get you scheduled, and then we'll talk and make sure first that you're a candidate and you have no issues with the medication, and secondly that we plug you into the program so that we can get you the best and healthiest weight loss possible. Thank you.